Hi guys, welcome to Tutoring Success. Today we are going to solve for x given the following expression, which is x squared negative x plus 4 over x squared negative x equals to 4. So the first thing that you want to observe on this problem, guys, is that if you can try to add this thing, let's say you are looking for an LCD, so that means in this case you are going to get x to the power 4 because they are going to multiply each other. So this must serve as a hint for you guys that you must use the K method. So how do we use the K method? So if you are given this kind of expression, you can see that this thing is the same as this thing. So you are going to say let x squared negative x equals to k, right? So you come back to the expression. When you see this, you replace it with k, right? So in this case, you are going to have k for this one plus 4 over k, right, equals to 4. Then you'll want to take that 4 to the other side. We are going to have negative 4 equals to 0. And then from this point, you are looking for your LCD, guys. So your LCD is basically just multiplying your denominators. So here is the same as 4 over 1. Here is the same as k over 1. So our LCD is simply k, right? So after this step, guys, I once told you that you must use a long division line, and then you take this fraction as it is. So you're going to have k over 1 multiply the LCD. Then you come to the following one plus, which is 4 over k multiplied by the LCD, and then you have negative 4 over 1 multiplied by the LCD. Right, and then here under the division line you just include your LCD, which is equals to 0. And then here we can see that we have 1 and k, so k doesn't get cancelled here, so it's the same as k multiplied by k, which is k squared. And then here we can see that k does cancel k, so this one will cancel this one. We are going to be left with 4. And then here is the same as k over 1, so k doesn't get cancelled, so we are going to have negative 4k equals to 0 all over the LCD, guys. So once you get something like this, guys, you will want to use the cross multiplication method, meaning that if you are having a fraction on both sides like this one is going to multiply this thing, and this LCD is going to multiply this 0. So k is going to get cancelled because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So 1 multiplied by this, you are on the safe side. So you are going to have k squared negative 4k plus 4, right, equals to 0. And then when you find factors for this thing, you are going to have k negative 2 and k negative 2 equals to 0, which is the same as k negative 2 squared equals to 0. And then when you include the square root both sides, you are going to get k negative 2 equals to 0, and then your k is equals to 2. And then from here, guys, you go from this condition that you set for yourself. So since k is equals to 2, you are going to reintroduce our x squared negative x is equals to 2. Then you take 2 to the other side, which is going to be negative. And then when you are solving for these guys, you are going to have x and x equals to 0. And then obviously, guys, our factors for 2 is 2 multiplied by 1. So negative 2 will take the sign of the middle term. The biggest number will take the sign of the biggest term. So here we're going to have plus 1. When you do your stuff there, we're going to have something like this: x plus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, your answer, guys, is going to be x equals to 2 or x is equals to 81. So thanks, guys, for continuing supporting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe.